Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. It is an honor to welcome Dr. Kundan Kumar to this interview, visiting us all the way from Rwanda. He is graduating with a Doctor of Philosophy PhD with a major in Information Technology. Dr. Kumar, thank you for being here. And tell us, what was the thing that you liked the most about your program in AIU?
My area of research was about big data management. I was working on novel secure data management framework in social network. The main reason behind this novel idea is that in today's age, most of the people in this world use the social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. These are the main concern of the big data. So there are many challenges about the users data management. So I felt very comfortable at AIU right from the start. There is absolutely no way I could have completed my thesis as painlessly without the help of my advisor, Dr. Franklin Wilson. He provided me sound advice and great technical help and very supportive, accessible. PhD students at AIU are given the freedom to access plenty of research resources with all if the tools required to successfully enjoy and navigate the incredible journey. My tutor, Miriam, also actively guided me a lot to complete my coursework successfully. Last but not the least, administrative staff at AIU is very supportive and understandable. All the time, they are very available to resolve our queries. So, really, I would like to recommend AIU to anyone.
You're a lecturer, and as a lecturer, what would be your vision about what higher education would be in terms of the use of technology?
Of course, due to the pandemic of COVID-19 pandemic, there's a dramatically change of information technology in education. So I can say as a lecturer, my vision to the use of information technology is designing a student-centered approach to the higher education. As we are seeing the rapidly changing technology has created new jobs and competencies requiring new skills. It has also facilitated significant progress in accommodating the need of broader range of students. It can also allow accessing to the higher education for greater number of students at lower cost and with more flexibility as already Atlantic International University is offering. Technology can be added to existing structure with the goal of making them marginally more efficient and flexible, keeping in mind the current pandemic. So technology also offers the opportunity to catalyze more significant reform to the education structures and practices.
Describe for me briefly the design-a-thon for climate information application that was organized by Media Rwanda, and congratulations, you earned the first prize. So tell me a little bit about it.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you for your congratulations. And well, that design-a-thon of the application was organized by the Meteo of Rwanda and sponsored by the UNDP, United Nations Development Program, in 2018. It was quite challenging, but it was also interesting to participate in such kind of design-a-thon. Really, it was the first time participating in the design-a-thon, which was sponsored by the UNDP. So we went as a team. The team formed with 3 members, including me. One was from me as an Indian, one was from the Kenya, one from Rwanda. So it was a diverse, the members in the team. So we know that according to the IPCC, the climate changes in one of the biggest challenges hitting the world today. So during this design-a-thon, the main concern was how can we build a system to deliver timely climate-related information and prediction to address pressing need of farmers in climate disaster-prone area in Rwanda. So our pilot project was conducted in one of the districts in Rwanda called the Kayonza. Kayonza is a moon-prone area where the most of the farmers are trying to cultivate their crops and all. So that was the main concern. So how we can provide a solution that can minimize the communication between the agronomists and farmers, and how we can provide them the understandable uh, in understandable language, and then the regional weather information, not like a very regional, not like a, because the Rwanda is known as the country of thousand hills. So each zone and each district and each province, they have a different kind of climate. So we cannot predict, okay, in this province, if today is raining, does not mean that another province going to be rain at the same time. So we had come up with the solution to the above problem, where farmer is periodically notified of clear regional weather predictions via SMS and USSD, together with agronomist suggestions. So we had come up with the prototype. That prototype includes mobile application, USSD application for the farmers, because most of the farmers in Rwanda does not have a smartphone. So they are relying on SMS and USSD apps. So, and the web application for the Meteo guide. We have implemented our prototype and we have demonstrated, and as you told me just now, that we have earned the first prize because our prototype was considered as the best among 60 people in the final.
What do you think is the biggest threat to personal data security in the world when it comes to information technology?
We can say, due to the vast information technology availability and due to the COVID-19 pandemic, most of the organizations have been opted online services like a webinar, virtual meeting, online classes, online entertainment, online assessment, online exams, in order to provide uninterrupted and better services in short time and economical prices. But to get facilitated these kind of services, we are relying on third-party application. So on cloud. So all the data are stored in the cloud. That cloud might be the AWS, might be Microsoft Azure, or might be etc. But those are the third-party cloud. Somebody using the Microsoft Teams, and for entertainment nowadays very popular in the China called the TikTok, and where our personal data is under the third-party control. Addition to the personal data, we have locations, because locations are also being shared. The third party is able to know your locations, where are you right now. So that is the biggest threat to the world in order for the personal data security.
Tell me, what was the most important advantage of the system of AIU, the system of education, the andragogic learning that AIU offers?
The AIU student experience is one of the best in the world with regards to online learning, which is student-centered. I witnessed the wonderful experience of ODL aimed at bridging the time, geographical, economical, social, and educational distance between the students and institutions, students and academics, students and courseware, and students and peers. It focused on removing the barriers to access learning.
Thank you for being here. Congratulations for graduating as Doctor of Philosophy, PhD with a major in Information Technology from Rwanda, Dr. Kundan Kumar. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.